In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a custom domain to Lovable. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the dashboard and which option to choose, whether you already own a domain or want to buy one directly through Lovable. Start by heading to the Lovable dashboard. This is your home base, where you'll see a snapshot of your work and quick links to everything you need. From here, open the list of everything you're working on by clicking All Projects. This makes it easy to find the exact site you want to put on a custom domain, especially if you manage more than one. Next, select the project you want to update. That opens the project workspace. On the left-hand side, use the sidebar to navigate. Click the project name if you need to expand the menu, then open Settings. Settings is where environment, publishing, and domain configuration live, so this is where the connection happens. Inside Settings, switch to the Domains tab. This page is dedicated to mapping your project to a web address people can actually type into their browser. You'll see two paths, and you can choose the one that fits your situation. If you already own a domain, click Add Existing Domain. Lovable will prompt you to enter the domain you want to use, like the root of your site or a subdomain. After you add it, you'll see on-screen guidance to verify ownership and complete the connection. Typically, that means updating DNS with your domain registrar. It's a good idea to have your registrar login handy and to double-check the exact host name you're connecting. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take time to propagate across the internet. If the status doesn't turn green right away, give it a little while and refresh the page. Once it's verified, Lovable will take care of the rest, including provisioning security certificates when applicable. If you don't own a domain yet, click Purchase New Domain. You can search for names, pick an available option, and review the pricing and renewal details before confirming. Buying through Lovable streamlines the setup because the records are handled for you behind the scenes. After purchase, the domain will appear in your domains list and begin linking to your project. Allow a few minutes for everything to finish configuring, and watch for the status indicators to confirm it's live and secure. That's it. From the dashboard, open all projects, choose your project, go to Settings, open Domains, and either add an existing domain or purchase a new one. Once connected, visit your custom URL to confirm everything looks great and you're ready to share your site with the world.